Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Parameters of the global food issues. Today we will discuss the transportation. Transportation basically works two ways. In the first way, it supplies the fertilizers, pesticides, the hybrid varieties, and other farm machinery, etc., to the farms. And in the second way, it provides the produce from the farms to the most populated regions. But remember that this happens on the primitive roads. If the roads are well constructed, the shipment of the raw material from the industries, etc., will be easy and on time, and the produce will be transported to the most populated region or the market with ease and low cost. And the most focus should be given in this context to the basic infrastructure for constructing the roads to make the supply easy. The solution is basically the construction of the roads. If the focus is not given to the roads, then they can solve the issue by transporting the food materials and the raw materials to the crops, to the fields by air. But remember that if it is supplied by air, the cost will be too high and the farmers will be unable to cultivate the crops and to grow them with proper fertilizers, pesticides, and other things, and to provide them to the market. Such a thing has happened in 1930s in the Ethiopian-Italian War, in which the Italy constructed the tomato processing plants in the most favorable climatic conditions of the Ethiopia for the cultivation of the tomato. But due to the lack of basic infrastructure or due to the primitive roads on which the shipment was not easy, by flying them out, it became too costly and the people were unable to consume the tomato. So, in this context, it is suggested that focus should be given, as has been pointed out, to the construction of the roads for making the transportation easy. And in this context, in this way, the solution is that by producing the crops in the field and providing them to the people in the most populated regions, the food supply will be high and there will be no need or the shortage, and there will be no shortage of the foods in those regions where they cannot be grown. If you have any question about this lecture, please ask in comments. We will appreciate your questions and comments. Thank you.